Ever feel like you're buried under an avalanche of college assignments? Well, fret not. Welcome to the world of AssignMeYourTasks.com, your lifeline in the sea of academic stress. We specialize in a range of services designed to meet your every need. Be it a pesky essay that's been hanging over your head, or that complex calculus problem set that's keeping you up at night, our expert team is ready to deliver. AssignMeYourTasks.com is home to a team of experienced academics and professionals. With degrees from top-tier universities and years of experience under their belts, they're more than equipped to navigate the labyrinth of college assignments. Our process is simple yet thorough. You submit your task, we assign it to the most suitable expert. They delve into the assignment, breaking it down to its bare bones before building it back up into an articulate, well-researched piece. Worried about plagiarism? Worry no more. We swear by authenticity and originality. Each assignment is crafted from scratch, tailored to your specific needs and requirements. Our experts utilize credible sources, ensuring each piece is well-researched and plagiarism-free. We're not just about delivering tasks. We believe in fostering understanding. Our experts are available for one-on-one sessions to clarify your doubts and strengthen your grasp on the subject. You're not just submitting an assignment, you're gaining knowledge. We understand the importance of deadlines. With AssignMeYourTasks.com, time is never an issue. We strive to deliver your tasks well before the deadline, allowing you ample time for review and revisions if necessary. In a nutshell, AssignMeYourTasks.com is your one-stop solution for all your college assignment woes. We're a team of experienced professionals ready to tackle your tasks head-on. We provide authentic, well-researched assignments tailored to your needs. We're committed to helping you understand the subject matter, and we respect your deadlines. So, the next time you are overwhelmed by an assignment, remember, AssignMeYourTasks.com is here to help. We've got your academic needs covered from A to Z, so go ahead, breathe a sigh of relief and let us handle your tasks. Because at AssignMeYourTasks.com, your success is our mission.